I'd like to stay, but I might have to go to start over again. Might go back down to Texas, I might go to somewhere I've never been. Get up in the morning and go out at night, and I won't have to go home. Get used to being alone and change the words of the song and start singing again. I'm tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know. I could build me a castle of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again.
Don't feel like going home, but all my cash is gone. Yeah, I got nothing to do tonight. I'm passed out on the floor, up in the hotel bar, but it don't matter 'cause I'm feeling fine. I'm thinking life's too short, it's passing by. So if I'm gonna go it all, go big or go. Go big or go home. 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 I gave the dice a roll and then we lost control. You know we're lucky that we survived. 'Cause when we jumped the ship, oh man, that boat it flipped. But we should do it all again tonight. I'm thinking life's too short, it's passing by. So if we're gonna go it all, go big or go.
Nice. Tired? Tired. Very. Yep. There. Thank you. Here, Jordan.
Yeah, ready to go.
Thanks. Nice. He's coming up.
Color yet?
No. Really bad spot. Just take it easy on the way.
How the fuck do we? I can't do it if I'm trying to actually do it. You only do it when I do it really fast.
Oh, naughty time?
You fucker. Come on, buddy. He's not head shaking, he's just swimming up current. So we're still in good position. You're doing good. Just stop, Will. Just keep going.
I don't know where I'm going, but I sure know where I've been. made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. Here I go again.
Pole.
Here I go again. Though I keep searching for an answer, I never seem to find what I'm looking for. Lord, I pray you give me strength to carry on. 'Cause I know what it means to walk along the lonely street dream.
Let me get this door.
Good job. How much? Oh shit.
Hit it on it. Fucking shit. That's what I'm yeah. Real. Dude, I felt Give me a second, I'll hold it up.
Like a drifter, I was born to walk alone. And I made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. But here I go again.
Dude, that thing dwarfs my 219. Where's guys? Good job, Kenny. Look at that fucking thing. Look at that. That thing dwarfs the 219. We got a tape measure. Where's that tape measure at?
We got more halibut than that, don't we?
Still on the floor.
13, 14.
They cut some up already.
Oh.